Hi there, what's crackin'? Welcome to my tutorial series on learning Cypress plus Cucumber. In this video, we're going to start writing the tests for the filtering features. So let's move filter by active into progress. And let's look at what it means to filter to-dos. So let's say we've got a test to do and another test to do. And if we complete another test to do, and then we filter by active, we only see a test to do. We can click all, we can see all the to-dos. And if we could click completed, we'll only see the completed to-dos. So right now we're going to work on testing that the filter by active works. So let's go over to our code base into the integration folder and create a new file called filter by active.feature. So the feature is filter by active. And the scenario is going to be see only not yet completed to-dos. Okay, so what are the steps? We're going to start with two to-dos, one in the complete state and one in the not yet complete state. So given I have the following to-dos, title and completed. So the first title is going to be a test to do. And that one is going to be not yet complete. Second one is going to be another test to do. And that one is going to be already complete. So we're going to navigate to the home page, and the home page has loaded. So the action that we're going to take when we're on the home page is when I filter by active. Then I see the following to do. So in the new state, we're only going to see the completed, not yet complete to do, which is the first one, test to do, and it's going to be completed false. And I see that I have still just one item left. Okay, so we'll save that. We can see that we haven't yet created the I filter by active step. So we'll do that by creating a new folder, naming it the same, filter by active, naming it the same as our feature file. And we'll create a file inside there and name it as we have been. So when I filter by active.js. And so in this file, we'll write the when I filter by active. And filtering by active is clicking on this item here. So let's inspect that. And we can see that it's in the to-do app, footer, filters, list item, anchor tag that contains the text active. So let's select that. So sci.get to do app dot footer dot filters dot li list item anchor that contains active, and we want to click on it. Out sci.get all of the things, one of those that contains active, and click on it. Okay, so let's open up Cypress. And we see we've got our new test, filter by active. Click it, run that test. You can see that that test passes. Let's close that, run all the tests to make sure that everything's still passing. And everything still passes, so we're done with filtering by active. If you're enjoying the content in this series so far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button or click on the thumbs up to like the video. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. If you need any of the links, they'll be in the description. I also live stream coding on twitch.tv/DaneHarnett. So if you want to ask any questions while I'm live, feel free to come and join me there. And if you want to tweet at me, you can hit me up at twitter.com/DaneHarnett. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.